This video we are going to learn how to access the geolocation using the Ionic framework. So first we have to create an Ionic project. Ionic start, project name, and then the template name. Hit enter. Change your working directory. Just opening the code editor. To access the geolocation plugin, to access the geolocation, first we have to add the geolocation plugin. To access the geolocation, first we have to add the geolocation plugin. So I'm going to add it. So to add the plugin, so we have to execute the following command: Ionic cordova-plugin add cordova-plugin-geolocation, and then we have to pass the variable for iOS device. And then I have to install the npm dependencies. Once it is done, so I have to declare the once the plugin installation is over, so I have to declare inside the app.module.ts. So I'm just going to the working directory, say SASC folder app.module.ts. So here I have to declare the geolocation plugin. So first I need to import the plugin. So import from Ionic Native geolocation. So I have to import the geolocation. So then once I imported, so I have to declare inside the providers. So whenever you are adding the new plugin, so you have to do the same thing. So I'm just saving the file, and then I have to go to the working file, so which is going to be my home.html. So I'm just replacing. So I'm just replacing the content. So here I'm going to display the latitude and the longitude. So just I'm displaying the lat. And longitude. So I need to create a variable inside the home.ts. So lat, it can be any data type. And same, longitude is also going to be any data type. So now I need to access the geolocation. So to work with that, I have to import the plugin first. So once I imported the plugin, I have to create a variable, or I have to create an object from the geolocation. So I'm just creating an object for the geolocation. So the object name, it's going to be a geo, or it can be anything. So now once the page is ready, I have to collect the geolocation attributes. So once the page is ready, so ion beam load is the event which will trigger. So once the page is ready, I'm just going to call the object. So which is going to be the get current position. So success callback function. If any error, so I'm just going to catch the error. So I'm going to print it inside the console. So after getting my success data, I have to assign the lat and lang value to this variables. This stat lat is going to be same applies for the longitude. Let's save the file. Let me run it on the device. To run it on the device, Ionic Cordova run Android. So I have connected my Android device, so it will run it on my device. Here you can see it asking the permission, just allowing. So here you can see I got my latitude and longitude.